monkey, elephant, giraffe, penguin, lion. What's your favourite zoo animal? It's Cat's birthday. Mum and Dad take Cat and Matt to the zoo. They are very excited. What's your favourite zoo animal? Asks Matt. Good question, says Cat, and thinks very hard. I like the monkeys. They're funny, says Cat. I like the elephants. They're big, says Cat. I like the giraffes. They're tall, says Cat. I like the penguins. They're cute, says Cat. And I like the lions. They're beautiful, says Cat. But which is your favourite zoo animal? Asks Matt again. All of them, says Cat.